Click on the link below to get price. The Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is an impressive suite of equipment tailored for professionals dealing with water damage restoration. This package includes 24 air movers and 4 air scrubbers, making it suitable for large-scale cleanup jobs or commercial applications. The air movers are designed to deliver powerful airflow, significantly speeding up the drying process in affected areas. Each unit features multiple speed settings, allowing users to customize airflow based on the severity of the water damage. The compact, stackable design makes transportation and storage easy, as they can be conveniently stacked for efficient use of space. Additionally, their durable construction ensures they can withstand the rigors of restoration work while maintaining optimal performance. The air scrubbers in this package are another standout feature. Equipped with HEPA filters, they effectively capture airborne particles and contaminants, significantly improving indoor air quality during the remediation process. The combination of air movers and scrubbers not only addresses moisture issues but also helps eliminate odors and reduce health risks associated with mold and mildew growth. One notable aspect of the Mounto package is its user-friendly operation. Both the air movers and air scrubbers are straightforward to set up and operate, making them accessible for technicians at any skill level. The intuitive controls and indicators provide real-time feedback on performance, allowing users to monitor the progress of their work efficiently. On the downside, the initial investment might seem steep for smaller operations, but the quality and efficiency of the equipment justify the cost. In the long run, the durability and reliability of these tools can save time and money on repeated repairs or replacements. In conclusion, the Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is a robust and efficient solution for professionals in the restoration industry. With its combination of powerful air movers and effective air scrubbers, it addresses the core challenges of water damage restoration effectively, making it a worthwhile investment for any restoration business.